Hello friends, welcome back. In this video I'm gonna show you how you can get your first Cash App account. So let me start and let me show you what are the prices that I am giving you for Cash App accounts. Here you can see the prices. After it I am gonna show you the account, so you can see here the date of video that I am creating. So after it, let me show you the account. Here you can see that this is my Cash App account. This is my second window, and let me enter my pin. As you can see, it's going to log in. Let's wait a little. Here you can see welcome to Cash App, and let me show you the account details. Here you can see guys the limits of this account. You can see it was joined in the last month, November 2024. In 2025, if you are willing to create a Cash App account, then it's a big stuff. You have to get a lot of things like documents, a USA phone number, the valid documents, not the one that have been used before. So you have to get the new one that never have been used before. Here I am entering my PIN from my Gmail, you can see that. And if you want to create your own account, then you must have the LD backup method. If you want to buy that, the latest method of 2025, then you can contact me on my WhatsApp or Instagram. I will give you that. Let me enter my PIN. In simple words, if you want to create your own Cash App account, then you have to get a lot of stuff. Like you must have the latest method of creating Cash App account. After it, you have to get valid documents, a valid US phone number, and the BTC enable method. So you have to buy a lot of stuff. If you want to buy that, then you can contact me. If you don't want to buy that and you need only one account for any payments, then you can just contact me on my Instagram or WhatsApp. Method and accounts both are available. So thank you.